Hi everyone, I hope you're all keeping well. It's another beautiful evening and I'm here making another video just for you. Today I'm making a video about how to make money online in Kenya. My name is Anne, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe for this kind of informative videos. The reason why I make these videos is to empower someone with knowledge. There could be someone out there who's looking for a job and they're still not yet lucky, or there's someone who has a job but they want to make something extra. So this is the reason why I make these videos, just for you to see if it can work for you, and if it can you do it, and can you make money out of it? Because to be honest, instead of just sitting and waiting for a job every day, you can be able to create income from wherever you are. And honestly, there are guys who are making big money online, much more than even anyone who is working in an office. So you may be surprised. Once you start doing it, you may not even ever want to get employed. So let's look at these options. Number one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically becoming the link between the producer or a retailer and the end user, in this case a customer. So what happens, you sell a product on behalf of a retailer and you get a commission. I had done a video about becoming an affiliate with Jumia a few months ago, so if you haven't watched it, you can look for the video in my channel. So if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. And if you're interested, it's a step-by-step tutorial on how to start, how to get started and how to also start marketing Jumia products. There are also international companies like the Max Bounty, the Peerfly, the JV Zoo, companies that are international, and they also pay very good money for becoming an affiliate with them. I'm going to leave a link to some of these companies under the description box, so be sure to check that out. Number two, you can become a blogger. Becoming a blogger is basically writing, and it's not hard. You can do about 500 words per blog, 500 to 1,000 words per blog, and just look for a niche or a subject that you are interested in and that you'd want to pass information about. For example, how to make money online. You can blog about cooking various types of dishes. You can blog about, if you're a technical person, you can blog about the apps. You can do reviews of different apps, different games. And once you start attracting traffic and readers into your blog, you can then monetize your blog. In this case, connect your blog to AdSense, and you start getting paid when ads run through your blog. And you can also become an affiliate marketer with different companies and leave links within your blog, and you will get money. People are making serious money with blogging, and you can do it. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and if you don't have a laptop, you can even start from a cyber cafe. So you just need to create a website, identify a niche, and create content, and start making money from anywhere. You can do this. Okay. The other thing is writing. You can write about reviews in the different sites that offer these opportunities. There's Freelancer, Upwork.com, iWriter. There are quite a number of them. You can Google about this. So you can also learn by yourself from online. You can also get someone with experience to teach you how to do it. But people are also making money. You just need to be consistent. You just need to be patient and keep doing it. Even transcribing also. You translate audio to writing and get paid per every translated article, and also per minute. You can also make logos and sell. at Fiverr. You can Google fiverr.com and get to see what you can be able to do there. You can't lack a skill that you can do something and earn money through fiverr.com. So just Google fiverr.com and create a profile, and also look at what other people are doing and what you can also be able to do to make money. The other thing is becoming a network marketer. You can join network marketing with legit companies. I know people are very skeptical about this because they think everything is a scam, but we have good companies out there like Forever Living company. You can become a network company, a network marketer. And what happens in these companies, you get paid for marketing their products, and you also get paid if you bring them other marketers. So it's an MLM structured sort of network, but it pays. So you need to do a lot of research on legit ones, and you have to be good in networking. If you're not good in networking, please keep off this. Selling online courses. If you're good at something, or you have past experience about a particular niche, you can be able to create content, create very good course, and train people. For example, if you've had experience about an abusive marriage, or experience about struggling with weight, you can be able to create a course on how you overcame and how someone else can do it. And people are hungry for such material online. You can be able to make very good money online with it. So you just need to research how to do it and where and how to sell these courses online. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is dealing with physical products. So you're linking a producer or a retailer to the customer. So you will buy at a lower cost and sell at a higher cost. I've had experience with eBay. It's a good platform that has millions and millions of buyers who want to purchase online. So what you do, you identify a supplier like, for example, Alibaba or AliExpress, and then get to know how much they're selling a certain product. Then you go and upload the same product on eBay. So when you get someone interested in buying and to buy your product in eBay, this person will send you money, and then you go ahead and pay AliExpress, and then AliExpress will ship directly to the customer. It's not hard. It's not very complicated. You just need to learn a bit how to do it, and I'll do a separate video on dropshipping, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on this video. The other one is becoming a social media influencer. If you have a big number of followers in Instagram, for example, you can be a social media influencer. People will come looking for you because they want you to market their products. If you're good at fashion, companies can even recruit you to just wear their brand and market for them, and you get paid for that. There are also people who are looking for people who have experience with social media, just to manage their accounts, like the Facebook pages, to be their manager, to respond to customers, to post daily, to help them in sponsoring their pages, and you can become that if you're a social media person. The other one is making money through YouTube. You can make unlimited cash through YouTube. You just need to identify what you are good at and what you can be able to do with your eyes closed, and talk to people and pass out knowledge. For example, if you're good in cooking, you can show people how to cook different, just like show people, just do it practically. Show people from step 1 how to make chapatis, from step 1 to the last step. If you're good at training people about painting, you can do it. You can even show people how to play a guitar. If you're very good at playing piano, you can be able to make money online with YouTube by monetizing your channel, or even through the affiliate marketing. There are people who are not good in online marketing, but they're good with offline marketing. But we all know that nowadays business is going online. So you can get someone who is selling stuff offline and help them to sell online, and then you agree on a commission. You can also create a shop online. You can create like a Facebook page, an Instagram page, and market. You can market your own stuff, go buy clothes, even if they're second hand, just iron them and take good photos and sell them online and make a margin. You can become a travel agent. So I'm sure online you've seen a number of companies who advertise as travel agents. It doesn't take a lot to become a travel agent. You just need to find out the necessary requirements, and you have to be a very honest person, because people will trust you with your booking. And if you're an honest person, you will grow your clientele. You can also start a courier service. You can do it individually or even through a company. You can do a personal courier. You can be a personal courier. Get stuff or parcels from office 1, drop them at office B, and get paid for that. You can also organize a few bota guys and make a margin once you get them clients. The other ways, like cooking food at home. If you're good at cooking, you can organize with some offices. You can be making breakfast and selling to their staff every morning, every break time, every lunch hour. If you're good at something, please make sure that you use your talents or the passion that you have. You can do a car wash, you can do a physical one, or you can even be, you can just think outside the box. You can be the one getting cars from a client premise and taking them, to be washed and then dropping them back, and you make a margin. These people will trust you. They will refer people to you. They will even trust you to start taking their cars to the mechanics. And you grow your clientele and make money. These are ways that you can be able. It's another way that you can be able to make money. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you've been able to identify 1 or 2 things that you can be able to start right away. There's no need of waiting for a job that probably will come later. You can start doing something now. Just identify your passion, identify something that you're good at, and I can assure you that you can scale up to heights that will surprise you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's keep talking. Thank you.